Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the Lesodi or Swartbos trail. It's not a very long trail. I think it's about 4 k's. And the start of the trail is situated in endangered grasslands. And today I've got someone very special joining me. You haven't seen her yet before. I've been trying to convince her to come and join me on a hike for a long while now. And that is my wife, Tina.
Hi guys.
So we're gonna hit this trail, see how it goes. It also goes through natural forests and some pine plantations. Let's get to it. It rained yesterday, so it's pretty slick. The ground is pretty slick and everything is kind of wet. And you can see a lot of old man's beard on the trees. I don't know if you can see that. Guys, today my wife is joining me. There she is. And she's not a hiker, but she decided to join me today, so I'm very grateful for that.
I think I'm more of an adventure person than him. He grew up in a town where I grew up on a farm. Yes, horse riding, hunting.
So this is our first lookout. This section will go down and then we'll be able to see a bit more. And we can hear the waterfall down there. Unfortunately you can't see it from here as it's very wooded. Just still gorgeous area. That's one thing about South Africa. We are very lucky to have a lot of natural beauty in the country. So we're in a more forested area now. Proper rainforest, I guess you could say. You see everything is really green. And actually our winter should be starting not too long from now. So it'll be interesting to see what things look like during the winter. So we're starting to get all the uphill. It was kind of smooth sailing up until this point, and with it being wet and slippery, it makes it quite a mission, but it's not that bad. Just to give you an idea, let me. So we're almost out at the other side. I didn't take any footage of the saw pit or the cathedral tree, so I did do a video here before. I do go to a lot of the same places, it's just because it's easily accessible. For a lot of the spots that we go to, you need a 4x4, which I don't have, so I have to catch a ride with someone who happened to be going in that direction. So that's why you guys get a lot of stuff in Mogubos Kloof on some of the private property I'm allowed to go to. So yeah, but I mean, it's still worth it. The place is still beautiful, and I just enjoy getting out, spending time outdoors. You can hear a lot of cars because this section of the trail goes past a main road. So we're almost done with the trail. I'm gonna sign out now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you'll join us for the next one. Trying to do a longer trip next time, maybe an overnighter again. So thank you very much for sticking by. If you watched the whole video, please remember to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It's always nice to hear from everybody, to know what you liked about the video. And we're going to say goodbye.